Let's learn how to change navigation bar button position. We can change our mobile back key and recent key position area. Let's learn how to do this. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page and click on Features option. In here, click on System Navigation option. You can see here Virtual Navigation option. Click on this settings icon. In here, you can change your navigation bar button position like this. In this method, you can customize your navigation bar buttons.